You have probably used campaign reports to track overall performance, but did you know there's a hidden feature that most advertisers overlook? Hi, my name is Sandeep Sejwan and I'm the founder of Regro Media. The campaign report actually lets you analyze your ad performance hour by hour throughout the day. In this video, I'll show you how to use this powerful time-based analysis to optimize your ad campaigns. Let's dive in. Accessing this hourly data is straightforward. Here's how. Step 1. Log into your Amazon Ads console. Step 2. Navigate to Measurement and Reporting, Sponsored Ads Reports. Step 3. Go to Reports homepage and click Create Report. Step 4. Select Campaign Report from the report types. Step 5. Here's the key. When setting your report parameters, make sure to select hourly as your time granularity option. Step 6. Choose your date range. Step 7. Generate and download the report. Once you have the report, you will see performance broken down by each hour of the day, giving you the raw data you need for optimization. Unlike other Amazon Ads reports that only show you overall campaign metrics, the campaign report has a unique capability. It allows you to break down your performance by the hour. This is a game changer because shopping behavior on Amazon isn't consistent throughout the day. Customer intent, conversion rates, and competition all fluctuate based on the time of the day. For example, in the morning hours, your ads might generate clicks, but shoppers are often just browsing, not ready to buy yet. In the evening, especially after 7 or 8 p.m., you might see significantly higher conversion rates because shoppers are more relaxed and ready to make purchase decisions. With hourly performance data, you can pull metrics like impressions, clicks, spend, and sales for each hour of the day, giving you unprecedented visibility into when your ads are actually working. Why does this matter for your business? Because it helps you make critical optimizations. Identify peak conversion hours. By analyzing hourly data, you can pinpoint exactly when your ads convert best. Maybe your products sell like crazy between 8 p.m. and 11 p.m. but barely convert at 6 a.m. This insight is gold. Plan strategic dayparting. Dayparting means adjusting your bids during specific hours. With hourly data, you can increase bids during high conversion windows to get more product visibility when it matters most. Allocate budget more efficiently across the 24-hour cycle. Don't make decisions based on just 1 or 2 days of data. I suggest you analyze at least 2 to 4 weeks of hourly data before making strategic decisions. That way, you are not reacting to random fluctuations, but making decisions based on real trends. In short, the campaign report provides a unique time-based view of performance not available in other reports. While this may be advanced for new advertisers, analyzing campaign by hour of the day is one of the most effective ways to optimize your ad spend. I suggest you keep optimizing your ad campaigns based on insights from your reports and ensure you are making data-backed decisions to improve campaign efficiency.